Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of how to do your homework. Alright, regarding assignment 3, today we're going to do assignment 3 right now actually. So this is the video for assignment 3. Alright, so make sure you download, look for this page if you have your textbooks with you. If not, go search all these subtopics from the PowerPoint slides that is being provided. Okay. All right. Let's move into the thing. Okay. So we are starting with apply number format. So I've already downloaded and opened this. Okay. Contoso revenue. Make sure sheet 1 is active because there's two sheets here. We only want to handle one of it right now. Okay, just the first one. Right? Select B4 to D8. B4 to D8. Okay, so I'm selecting all of this. Notice here the data should be formatted as general. Okay, without commas, without decimal place, and so on and so forth. Alright, so in the home tab number group, we open the number format menu and then we select currency. Now we select currency. Now notice, all right, for mine case, mine is like automatically set to RM. Okay, although it's expected to you get the dollar sign, but it's okay. If you can't, if you get RM or some other one, it's fine. Okay, all right. Next, with two decimals. Now notice there's two decimals. These are all representing cents. Okay, and let's say if we change it to accounting instead. Okay, take a look at how the RM will change. All right. Okay, notice the RM goes to the N instead. So there's like both sides. It is much tidier comparatively lah. Okay. And next we need to decrease the decimal button twice to display no decimal places. So we decrease. So we 1, 2, press 2. Now notice most of things we can see. Okay. And it's rounded to whole number. All right, click on the blank cell such as A11. So I just click A11 and then go to sheet 2. Okay. Next, we need to select B6 to B11. B6 to B11. Okay. Now this one, we want to do the comma. If you notice here, all right, already got comma. So we just go to comma it. Okay. Now you notice that now they do properly 1000 separator with two decimal place, but no dollar sign. Okay. Next, with this one still selected, we go change to accounting number format. And then we want to decrease the decimals again. Okay. Next, we just select C6 to C11. Okay. We want to click the short date. It should appear here, but if you have the case like mine where it does not appear here, please take note. Okay. We want uh month, day, year. Okay. So 20 is obviously not going to be a month, so it's going to be a day. So month, day, year. Is this the one we're looking for? No. Okay. If we can't find what we are looking for here, what we going to do is we go to more number formats. Okay. And then you can take a look lah up here, or in this case, there down here have. Okay. Month, day, year. All right. So we select this. Okay. All right. Oh wait, no, this one cannot. It must be day, year. If you can't find it over here, what you can do is you change the locale. Okay, you change to, let me say I change to England. You see this is more suitable, right? But we want month first. So since this one don't have month, we change to, you know what, you can just go Singapore. Singapore also don't have. Just simply click Malaysia. Malaysia also don't have. Indonesia maybe. Wow. Also don't know how to put my Monday. Huh. Let's try to find some more. Where else have? Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe. Yeah, there you go. Zimbabwe, we have this one. Okay. So, yeah, maybe you can just go straight to Zimbabwe and then you can find lah. Okay. So you can see which is the effect that we want. We want it to be neat. Okay. You can notice here, December, 4th of December, am I right? So 04. Okay. We don't want the just 12/4. Previously, uh, see, it's just 04. So it's not as tidy lah. So we want the 0 to be there. Okay. All right, next we want to manually decrease column C. Okay, so we just click this one. My favorite method is over here. Once you see this shape, this cursor shape, I just double click. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, and then we need to save. This is important, especially in Excel. If you do not know how to save, GG are you. Okay. Alamak. Wait, let me type in properly first. Okay, so I'll just save it in my downloads first lah, temporarily. Okay, so then we move on to the next one. We're moving on to wrap text in a cell. Okay, so with this, we need to go back to sheet 1. Okay, and then we notice that the contents in the two cells in column A cannot be fully displayed. Okay, notice here, patient, supposed to be patient insurance companies, but cannot see the companies in full. Self-payment also cannot see in full. Okay, so what do we do is we click, I click on A4 first. Now as I'm holding down control, I click A7. Okay, now if you notice, by doing that I can select both cells, A4 and A7. Then I go to the alignment here. Okay, I click on wrap text. All right, wrap text. Now, although they say that it should take on a green background, but because I'm using Microsoft Excel 2010, if you are using 2013, it should get the green one. But if you are using other version, it might be different color. But point is that it will show that it's being selected lah. All right. Okay. Moving on. So don't forget save. Okay. Otherwise, once your computer kaput, die. Okay, so next on sheet 1, go back to sheet 1 again. We are still in sheet 1. Then we select A1 to D1. Okay, because what are we going to do this time? We are going to do merging and splitting. So if you want to do a merger, okay, easy way is just click here. Below the wrap text, there's one thing here. Just click merge and center. Now notice all of this become a single cell. They combine already. Okay. Next, we select A2 to D2. All right. Alternative way also, you can click at the side here and merge and center as well lah. Now you have the same effect, so normally people just go straight away to click here. Okay, select A3 to D3, A3 to D3. Okay, and then we go merge and center again. Okay, now there will be this error message coming out. All right, because you see we have revenue on one cell, we have revenue source, another cell October, December, November, December. Okay, but when we merge it, if I press OK, all the October, November, December all disappear. Okay, now that's not what we want, so we just undo it lah. So we press Control Z. Okay, or you can press undo here if you like. All right, so this is what we call merging, merging lah. All right, and I think that is all. Or we still have place borders. All right, so we're going. You need to continue on. Make sure you save first, just in case. Okay, so on sheet 1, we select A3 to D3. Okay, and then on the home tab, if you notice here, there's a font, there's a thing here. Okay, so I select this down arrow first, and then I select top and bottom border. Why? Because if they mention here, I want to select top and bottom uh, border, top and bottom. This is top and bottom. Yes, this is top and bottom. Okay, now if you notice, if I put this away, you notice that here is already top and bottom got one line already. Okay, but now but it's very hard to see, right? So what I want to do is I want to change it some more. I can click to here. Okay, so go to borders again. Now I go to all the way to the bottom here, more borders, more borders. Okay, so I select this. Now if you notice that I can have thicker lines, I have any different type of lines. So let's say I just select one lah. I select the thickest line. Okay, so I select already this one. All right, and then I can click here. All right, so you notice that this is more like a sample. All right, so it can show that there is a thicker border lah. Okay, and it'll be just more like a preview lah. Next, I go to color. Okay, I select blue. Okay, blue is over here. All right. Now, if you notice here all changed to blue already, but here haven't changed to blue, right? So we need to select again blue, blue. Okay, then we press OK, and then but we cannot see anything now, right? Because our highlight is blocking it. So we just select somewhere, and then you notice here change to thick border and blue already. Okay, after that we save. All right, then you take this and you submit. All right, thank you, class.